In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your OpenRouter API to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that you can drop into any workflow in just a few clicks. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure. First, make sure you're in your n8n dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Personal. Click that, then open the Credentials tab. This is where all your saved connections live. In the top right, click Create Credential. This opens a setup window where you'll choose which service you want to connect to. In the search field, type OpenRouter. When you see OpenRouter appear, select it and click Continue. This tells n8n exactly which type of credential you're creating, so it can prompt you for the right fields and store them safely. Next, enter the credentials needed for the API connection. Typically, that means providing your OpenRouter API key in the field n8n shows you. Paste it carefully and take a moment to check for accidental spaces before or after the key. If there's a field for a name or label, give it something descriptive so you can find it easily later, especially if you plan to manage multiple credentials. Remember, keep your key confidential and never share it in public places, screenshots, or demos. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The connection is now securely stored in n8n. With the credential saved, you can start using it to create nodes in your n8n workflows. When you're building or editing a workflow, add a new node and search for OpenRouter. After you place the node, look for the credentials drop-down in the node settings and select the OpenRouter credential you just created. From there, configure the node's options to fit your use case, and the node will use your saved connection behind the scenes. This keeps your sensitive details out of the workflow itself and makes your automations easier to maintain. And that's all. You clicked into Personal, opened the Credentials tab, created a new credential, selected OpenRouter, entered the required details, saved, and you're ready to use the connection in your workflows. If you ever need to rename or rotate keys later, you can return to the same credentials area to manage them without changing your workflows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with your new OpenRouter connection in n8n.